The ANNKE H1200 12MP security camera system delivers remarkably sharp, ultra-high-definition footage that makes it easy to pick out small details like faces and license plates. Its combination of infrared and white light illumination provides convincing color night vision over a long distance, so scenes stay usable even in very low ambient light. Built-in artificial intelligence that focuses on people and vehicles cuts down on nuisance alerts from things like blowing branches while still catching important motion events. The network video recorder and power over Ethernet designs simplify installation and keep the cameras powered and connected with a single cable per unit, which is practical for larger properties. Remote access through the companion application works smoothly across phones, tablets, and computers, letting you review live or recorded video when you are away from home or the office. Flexible storage options, including high-capacity, micro-secure digital cards in each camera and the included hard drive in the recorder, give you plenty of room for continuous recording and backups.